Are you looking for some cool woodworking projects, which will make you money fast? As a woodworker, we may want to sell our products and earn high profits. For this to happen, we need to focus on making trending wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Woodworking is more than just a craft, it's an art form that combines creativity, skill, and a keen business sense. For many, woodworking is a passion, but it can also be a lucrative business opportunity. Before diving into the various avenues for making money, it's essential to understand the market. Woodworking spans a vast range of products and services, including furniture, home decor, toys, outdoor projects, custom orders, and so much more. Furniture includes custom furniture pieces, such as tables, chairs, and cabinets. Home decor includes items like picture frames, shelves, and decorative pieces. Wooden toys can be appealing to parents looking for safe, durable options. Outdoor projects include items like garden furniture, planters, and birdhouses. Custom orders are personalized items for special occasions or businesses. Understanding your target market is crucial. Research local trends, popular styles, and customer preferences. This knowledge will guide your product offerings and marketing strategies. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of contemporary woodworking projects ideas you can copy to make money fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. While passion is important, honing your skills is essential for success in a woodworking business. Enroll in woodworking courses or workshops. Many community colleges and craft schools offer programs that can enhance your skills. Utilize online platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, or Udemy to learn new techniques and methods. The more you create, the better you become. Start small and gradually take on more complex projects. A well-equipped workspace is vital for any woodworker. Choose a space with good ventilation and ample room for your tools and projects. Invest in essential tools such as saws, drills, sanders, and safety equipment. As you grow, expand your tool collection based on the projects you take on. Keep your workspace organized. Use shelves, pegboards, and storage bins to manage your tools and materials effectively. Once your skills are sharpened and your workspace is set up, it's time to start creating your products. Here are some tips for crafting marketable items. Focus on quality. Quality craftsmanship will set you apart from competitors. Pay attention to detail and use high-quality materials. Unique designs. Create unique designs that reflect your style. Consider incorporating sustainable materials or innovative techniques. Finish options. Experiment with different finishes to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your products. Stains, paints, and natural oils can change the appearance significantly. Pricing your work. Setting the right price for your products is crucial. Consider the following factors. Material costs. Calculate the cost of wood, finishes, and other materials used in each item. Time investment. Factor in the time spent crafting each piece. Your labor is valuable. Market research. Look at similar items in your area or online to gauge competitive pricing. A common pricing strategy is to double the cost of materials and add an hourly wage for your time. This method ensures you cover costs and earn a profit. There are numerous avenues to sell your woodworking creations. 1. Online marketplaces. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay allow woodworkers to reach a global audience. Here's how to succeed on these platforms. High-quality photos. Invest time in taking professional-looking photos. Good visuals can significantly impact sales. Detailed descriptions. Write clear, engaging product descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your items. SEO. Use relevant keywords in your product listings to improve visibility in search results. 2. Local craft fairs and markets. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can help you connect with your community. Here's how to make the most of these events. Display. Create an attractive booth that showcases your products effectively. Engagement. Engage with potential customers, share your story, and explain the craftsmanship behind your products. Networking. Use these events to network with other artisans and potential collaborators. Three. Social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are powerful tools for marketing your woodworking business. Consider these strategies. Content creation. Share photos of your work in progress, finished products, and behind-the-scenes shots to connect with your audience. Stories and Reels. Use Instagram stories and Reels to showcase your process, engage followers, and promote new products. Community engagement. Interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and consider hosting giveaways or contests to boost engagement. 4. Word of mouth. Never underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences and refer you to friends and family. Consider offering referral discounts or incentives to encourage this. In addition to selling products, consider offering woodworking services. This can diversify your income streams and attract different customers. Here are some ideas. 1. Custom furniture design. Many people seek unique, custom pieces for their homes. Offer personalized furniture design services, working closely with clients to create items that fit their specific needs and styles. 2. Repair and restoration. If you have the skills, consider offering repair and restoration services for damaged furniture. This can be a great way to attract customers who appreciate quality craftsmanship but may not want to purchase new items. 3. Workshops and classes. Share your knowledge by offering woodworking classes or workshops. This can be an excellent way to supplement your income while building a community around your craft. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary woodworking projects ideas you can copy to make money fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.